Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan, full guide. Open the glove box, squeeze the sides to drop it down, and remove the stops to access the filter cover. Work on a flat surface, wear gloves to keep hands clean, and inspect the replacement filter for correct fit. I will guide you step by step so the swap is quick, clean, and confident. Begin by fully lowering the glove box and locating the rectangular filter housing behind it. Use a flathead screwdriver to unclip the housing cover, then carefully slide the old filter straight out to avoid scattering debris. Check the housing for leaves, twigs, or mold and clean it with a damp cloth if needed. Dispose of the dirty filter responsibly and set up the new filter for orientation and fit confirmation. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy, durable feet during long garage sessions. I love them for wrenching and quick errands alike. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair and enjoy them, now let's get back to the video. Check the airflow arrow on the new filter and align it to match the vehicle's airflow direction before insertion. Slide the filter into the housing gently, ensuring it seats fully without bending or forcing it. Reattach the housing cover, restore the glove box stops, and test the vents for unobstructed airflow. Finish by running the fan briefly to confirm cleaner air and a proper fit, making any small adjustments as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.